So this is our fire pit that we built. I added a fourth layer just to have a little extra security. But if you see down below on the second layer, there are 3 air holes, which makes it smokeless because there's a secondary combustion, which helps the fire burn hotter and less smoke. Yes, it does mean the wood burns hotter and faster. The trade-off is there's less smoke. So these are retaining wall bricks. So to make the holes, I did cut the brick in half, but you will notice that they don't quite fit correctly. So in some of the areas, you will see a secondary gap like that. And that's just because the way the bricks were cut. But you know what? It's helping and it keeps down the smoke level.
Hey, you just told everybody you're mad at him.
My daughter just said publicly she's mad at me, but I'm okay with it. You know.
Public statement. A public, what do you call it?
PSA?
PSA.
Public service announcement?
Yes, public service announcement.
There you go.
Sorry, my
Now me,
pronunciations are still wrong.
I would thread these with like some type of pork
Hey, you gave me a
or
kiss.
beef.
I'm not blowing that out. I like it burnt.
That's burnt. There you go. Turn it. There you go. See, I am good at making a nice toasty brown.
You are
But
so good at it. I'm not that.
Here we are. Now we're about to break out the laptop, maybe make it show a movie, and have fun. Have a good night.
Bye.
Peace out. Oh, look at that. Oh.